Okay, so let's get into some details about the radio. First thing we'll do is we'll take the plastic off of it. Alright. Should have left the plastic on it. Okay, so on page 10 of the manual, they go over how to calibrate it with the SWR meter. Okay, so we'll go over that now. So it says here, calibrate for SWR, standing wave ratio. Well, here, let's turn up the squelch here. Okay, so next we're going to calibrate the SWR. We're going to work right out of the manual. Okay, so SWR calibration is done to properly adjust the length of the antenna and to monitor the quality of the coaxial cable in all RF connections. This calibration is critical in order to achieve optimum performance. And then they say set it to channel 20. And then switch this button to Cal. See how down here we're on Cal now? See here, SRF, that's when you're talking. And then here, that's just your SWR meter. And then here it's calibrate. Okay, and then it says to push and hold the mic. So that's this thing here. Push and hold the mic and see what this is doing here. See how that meter went way up to Cal? It says to turn the calibration button. That's the very last button here. The big button on the outside. So you can see, watch when I turn this. Watch when I turn this line will go up and down. Okay. Okay, so they say turn that button so that goes all the way up into the Cal area. Okay. So it says push and hold the button. While holding mic button, adjust the SWR Cal knob so the meter swings into the Cal mark on the meter located on the right. So let's run through that again here. Switch to Cal. Press and hold the button. Adjust that to where it's in the Cal area. Release that. Press this so it's SWR and then test it. And now you can see we're at like 0.5. Less than 3 is good. Okay, and then we'll go to channel 1. And we'll do the same thing on 1. Change this to Cal. Press and hold the mic. Adjust that so it's that meter is in the Cal area. Switch back to SWR and press this and we see that we're like 0.5. Now we do the same thing on channel 40. Switch to Cal. See how we're in Cal here? Press and hold the mic. Adjust this far button so that meter is in the Cal area. See how it says Cal up here? Okay, and then change over to SWR and check it, and we're at 0.5. Now if that was higher, like up in the 2 and 3, that's when you have to get into changing the length of your antenna. Okay, so this SRF, that's when you're in talk mode. So it says, when switched to SWR mode, the meter reading should ideally be as far to the left as possible. Anything over 3 is not acceptable. A slight antenna height adjustment, higher or lower, may be required. And then repeat the calibration.